Hello, welcome viewers. And today, just I am going to make the post-mortem report of the CISC board for ICSC class 10 and also the ISC class 12 exam, annual exam. And at last, the board has also left two options, left two choices for the students of ICSC class 10, and it is because it is mandatory for the class second year ISC students to take the exam. So after the situation normalizes, after the situation develops, after the first week of June, when the situation comes to the normalcy, because they will review the situation. Suppose the situation does not normalize, the situation suppose not come to the normal condition, then they can also maybe extend or maybe also cancel it. But anyhow, they have given 2 points for the ICSC class 10 students. But they are not forced to appear the exam physically or offline along with the class ISC सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स. देखिए, जो ISC क्लास 10 का स्टूडेंट्स को फोर्स नहीं दे रहा है, वो ऑप्शन दे दिया. दे दो टू ऑप्शंस आर देयर. यू मे लीव द एग्जाम, you may skip the exam, or you can sit for the exam along with these ISC second year students after the first week June, if the situation normalizes. देखिए, कंडीशन आ गया, सिचुएशन नॉर्मलाइज नहीं होगा तो एग्जाम में बी कैंसल और मे बी पोस्टपोन फॉर द फर्दर डेट, or whatever the date will come, depends upon that is the situation afterwards. So I think I don't have any doubts in my mind. I will cooperate the students that you get into the second point, means leave the exam and skip the exam, because in order to save your time and in order to save you and protection your future. Because if you will not save your future, so then it will just rallied around or pushed into the darkness, and even the single light is also not there, because your life may be, fate may be also sealed at that time. Because during the time the CB students just might be hoping for 2-3 months ahead of you, and you are rather backward than them. Just in terms of, when I am calculating for the 11th standard, you leave the exam and go for the second choice and concentrate your mind, just focus your mind on the further studies, and that is the 11th standard. Because whatever the decision has been taken just in this regard, so I think after the prolonged 48 hours meeting, so I think it is just in vain at last. Means the ball has been left to the students, whether you can just translate into goals or you can maybe defensive. Whatever either or choice has been given. I think anyhow, just whatever that might happen, so we have to also give respect to the board. But anyhow, just I will clearly say that. So you just drive for the second option, provided that your future might not get into the darkness and you are alluring for the bright future, and you will be also predominantly also posturing through your, that is called the future arena of success. Then you also go ahead and just enjoy your 11 classes. So it is my opinion, and it is also my advice to you. Don't just come into the conflicts, doubt, confusions, whatever just also flashing through your minds and putting you into troubles. So then you can then whack it out from your mind and get past from your mind, and also at last you can catch hold with your future, and you see the future, and you also think the future, and you also try to catch the future for your 11 version or 11 standard. So it is my advice. So it is now I have the post-mortem report. What about the ICS in regard connection with the ICSE 10 and also the ISC 12 standard students? So now it is all about. So I think just you will estimate yourself. So just my listening, my opinions and my also the suggestion about this. So thank you all and happy to all.